How to use a sauna for improved health. The joys of sauna bathing are well known. Unwind, breathe deep, and emerge refreshed. If you're thinking of investing in a sauna for lasting improvements to your health, you're in luck. Here is some information on how to use a sauna for improved health. Relieve elevated stress. Nothing soothes muscles and joints like high heat. Step into a sauna and instantly muscles relax, giving you the chance to take a deep breath and unwind. A few minutes in a relaxed sauna is all it takes to rejuvenate from within. Flush unhealthy toxins. Each day, we're exposed to toxins that penetrate our skin. A deep sweat is key to flushing out contaminants that settle under the skin. Heat from the sauna increases blood circulation and stimulates sweat glands. Soon, lead, copper, zinc, and other toxins are reduced. Promote a deeper, healthier sleep. One of the best advantages to sauna bathing is the ability to finally get the rest you deserve. In addition to releasing endorphins, the relaxed environment and sustained heat facilitate deep, regenerative sleep, the rest your body needs. So go ahead, soak in a sauna. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To encourage local residents to check out the benefits of using a sauna to help improve their overall health and well-being, the Spa and Sauna Company is providing free test soaks at all their showrooms. And we do recommend, however, that people wanting to schedule their free 30-minute soak call us ahead of time to reserve their spot. To learn more about the benefits of owning a sauna, pick up a copy of our free buyer's guide. Just give us a call at 775-852-3838 or go to www.spaandsauna.com.